So, hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make one commander as your default explorer in Windows. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is open one commander like this. Okay, we got this one commander, and then you navigate to settings, and you can see the advanced button here, and then you click it and just scroll down. Yes, you can see this as, register as a default file manager, and then you just click it. And then there's some disclaimer, you have to understand it, and then that's it. Click yes. And I'm gonna click no because I already have the settings. And then just in case if you want to get back to, using Explorer again, you can just click this unregister. So yeah, it's as simple as that. And now you should be able to use one commander as your default explorer. Let me show you. For example, just like open like documents, and that's it. Now it's your default explorer. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.